In 2015, the all-new BMW 7 Series shook up the automotive world with its unprecedented combination of luxury and driving dynamics. Now, BMW has added some extra performance to the luxury class with a vigorous 12-cylinder engine, the most powerful within the BMW family. With this striking new addition to the series, the flagship of the BMW range has gotten, if you will, its flagship. The new BMW M760Li xDRIVE features the first ever M-Performance 12-cylinder petrol engine with BMW's M-Performance twin-power turbo technology, and its specs read like an exercise in paradigm smashing. As you can see, the new top-of-the-range entrant comes in two different models. There is the straightforward, right-in-your-face, very sporty BMW M760Li xDRIVE, and for those drivers looking for a more luxurious, discreet look, there is the BMW M760Li xDRIVE model V12 Excellence. But let's save that for later and begin with what is probably most preying on your minds, their striking performance. The new BMW M760Li xDRIVE comes with a 6.6-litre V12 engine, boasting an output of 448 kilowatts or 610 horsepower, mustering a maximum torque of 800 Newton-meters at 1,550 rounds per minute. Sprint from 0 to 100 goes down in 3.7 seconds. Maximum speed is 250 kilometers, while the sporty M Drivers package ramps up the top speed to a lofty 305 kilometers per hour. Despite these stunning specs, at a combined 12.8 litres per 100 kilometres, the fuel consumption is moderate. Emissions combined clock in at 294 grams per kilometre. We wouldn't be talking about a BMW here if they hadn't combined boldly dynamic driving characteristics with superior ride comfort. A wide range of highly innovative technologies that all made their first impression at the recent launch of the BMW 7 Series are available in this new driving machine, some of which are specially tuned up to the BMW M760Li xDRIVE's performance needs. To mention just a few, Executive Drive Pro delivers exceptional spring and damper comfort. Coupled with a dynamic drive system, it smothers roll at both axles, something that pays off especially at high speeds in corners. Also, the integrated active steering system has been retuned to the dynamic character of the BMW M760Li xDRIVE. This innovative system reduces steering efforts while increasing both maneuverability in urban traffic, as well as agility and stability during high-paced driving. Both options are standard features. Rounding off the performance and comfort measures is, of course, BMW's xDRIVE. Rear-wheel biased, this intelligent all-wheel drive system distributes torque fully variably between the front and the rear axle, thus ensuring maximum dynamics, traction, and agility. But now, let's take a closer look at the interior design. All luxurious features known from the recently launched BMW 7 Series can also be found in this new flagship model, such as all-intuitive systems for interacting with your car, like iDrive with touchscreen and gesture control. Adding an extra touch to the concept of luxury are these comfort seats with a new massage function. Door-sill plates with an illuminated V12 badge are an eye-catcher. The refined sporting character of the car visibly continues in its exterior design. The M aerodynamic package, which is the standard fit, boasts a newly designed front fascia with 2 large air intakes. The signature kidney grille shines with a cerium grey finish, with the grille elements framed by a cerium grey surround. Elegant mirror caps and V12 badges on the C-pillars provide fitting adornments for the car's flanks. The sporting character of the rear fascia with its central black area highlight the M's sport exhaust system's diamond-shaped twin tailpipe, which generates an emotionally rich V12 soundtrack. All eye-catching features shine in BMW's cerium grey finish. And for those drivers wishing to tone down the overtly sporty appearance in favour of a more luxurious and discreet look, there is the BMW M760Li xDRIVE model V12 Excellence. The individual character of this model is clearly visible. As a standard, various chrome elements, such as the chrome bar extending across the full width of the car, the kidney grille in silver with chrome fronts and surrounds, or the chrome tailpipe embellisher mark the visible individual character of the BMW M760Li xDRIVE model V12 Excellence. Once again, BMW has redefined the meaning of performance and luxury. The BMW M760Li xDRIVE makes a compelling statement, unmistakably defining a new benchmark in the luxury sedan segment. For further information, please go to bmw.com/7series.